everyone, and welcome to this brand new episode of Christine Means Business. My name is Christine Hansen, and I am a holistic business coach and consultant. And I love combining efficient cold hard strategy with personal development mindset and love for our business so that it can have a soul, but also make bank. Now, today we are going to talk about how you can structure a 6-figure month. And my magic word for you is batching. And I don't even batch only for 1 month. I batch for 3 or 4 months. So usually a quarter of the year. Now, this is a complete unit in my masterclasses, and it's the content creation flow, where you create one piece of content and you're seen everywhere and Google gets to know you and gets to love you. But in a nutshell, I want to talk about this to you. So the number one thing is that you really dedicate a short time where you create everything and then you outsource. And I know in the beginning that seems like, but I don't want to make money yet. But the thing is, you need to focus on having people to get to know you, to hear about your knowledge, to hear about your mission. You don't have time to create graphics or to write blog posts, or to transcribe them or to, schedule everything out everywhere. That is time that is better off, sent to someone else that you pay for as a freelancer or a virtual assistant, when you can literally then focus on helping those people who find your content to understand what you do and how you can help them and how you can make their lives so much better. So here's what I typically do. I start my month by shooting videos like this. So today I'm shooting 3. And because my system goes that I use long posts that I did on social media, plus 1 post like this, plus interviews with friends of mine in business, I have my content gathered pretty quickly. So I only need to make 3 of these videos. I then set up a flow basically where I have all my freelancers, and I do that in Flowsters, so everyone knows exactly what to do by then. There's a content calendar in there, and then the videos go out to my video editor. They go out to our assistant or our freelancer who is watching the videos and then takes notes. My other assistant is then creating graphics, listening to the main message, creating graphics for Pinterest and for social media. And then we have, that's basically it. So, and then they are being scheduled out to all the different platforms. So I don't have anything to do with that anymore, because I have a whole to-do list to do other things, to speak on summits, to create materials for my coaching clients, to maybe work on a course, to write a book. All of those things are things that are my job as a coach, not doing graphics or scheduling out different pieces. So that's what I do. And it costs me maybe $100 to $150 to outsource per little thing, depending on 300, depending on how many things I have. But it's not the world, considering how much time I'm saving in order to really get my message out, to be in person, engaging with people. Now it's on Clubhouse, but also, being on Instagram, really sharing my message in integrity, and really making a deeper impact than just working behind the scenes, which is where no one sees me. So hopefully that has helped you a little bit. I really encourage you to have a look at the masterclass of the content creation. And also, if you just want to get a sneak peek of my complete structure, of the holistic structure of my business, then head over to the free training, christinemeansbusiness.com/5-pillars, and you will get a free video training where I'll walk you through everything I do from the structure and how to create a beautiful business. So I hope this has been helpful. If you have any questions, please do reach out to me, and I'll talk to you very soon.